Creating quotes and estimates that reflect your business style is easy with Fergus. With a range of customization options, you can fine-tune how your quotes look and what information they include, helping you stay consistent, clear, and professional when communicating with clients. To get started, go to Settings in your Fergus account, then click on Quoting. In the General Settings section, you can set your quoting preferences, including the default expiration date for your quotes and estimates. This makes it clear to clients how long the pricing or terms are valid for, helping you manage proposals more efficiently. Under Email Settings, you can choose whether your customer receives an email confirmation when a quote is manually accepted. This ensures your client stays informed, even if they didn't accept the quote directly through email. Be sure to explore the Quote and Estimate Templates tab. Here, you can create and customize templates to reflect your brand, giving your quotes a polished, professional feel. Once a template is set up, you can easily adjust the styling, content, and layout options. For a step-by-step guide, check out our Quote Templates article. And that's it! You're now ready to start creating and sending professional quotes with confidence.